Hi dear children, welcome to our basic science class. In the previous class, we discussed about different types of pollination. Self-pollination, cross-pollination and artificial pollination. Today we are going to discuss about what are the changes occurs in the parts of flower after fertilization. Okay students, now let's look the process of fertilization once more. All of you listen carefully. Children, we know that all living things reproduce. What is reproduction? Reproduction is the process by which organisms produce their young ones to retain their ancestry. Flowers perform the function of reproduction in plants. We can say that flowers are the reproductive organ of plants. Children, do you know what is fertilization? Yes, the fusion of male gamete seen in the pollen grains found in the anther of androecium with the egg seen in the ovule inside the ovary is called fertilization. Let's watch a video that shows the changes of a flower after fertilization. Fertilization occurs in 3 stages. First one is the germination of pollen grains. The second one is the zygote formation. And finally, embryo formation. After pollination, the pollen grains stick on the stigma, germinates. The pollen grains goes through the long pollen tube and enter into the flower's ovary. Next, the pollen tube releases male gamete inside the ovule and fusion takes place there and forms a zygote. A zygote is the combination of a male and a female gamete. Zygote later develops and forms into embryo. Embryo is a baby plant that grows inside a seed. After fertilization, several changes takes place in a flower. Petals, calyx and androecium. They are dry up and withers away. Withers means fall off. Then the ovule, which contains the embryo, develops into seed. The ovary grows bigger and develops into fruit. So, the ovule develops into the seed and the ovary develops into the fruit. Students, there is an activity for you. Try to find out what changes occur in the various parts of a flower when it becomes a fruit. Complete this table. So, dear children, let's conclude our today's class. Today we studied about the changes occur in the various parts of a flower when it becomes a fruit. Petals and androecium withers away. Calyx and pedicel becomes strong. Then the ovary becomes fruit and the ovule develops into seed. Okay children, I hope all of you understood about this topic. Study well. See you in the next class. Thank you.